Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth product breakdowns. Today we're reviewing what we believe is the best pink harness for large dogs. The rabbitgoo dog harness in hot pink, size large. If you're searching for a reliable, stylish, and comfortable harness for your large breed pup, this just might be your winner. Let's kick things off with the first thing that stands out, its vibrant hot pink color. This isn't just eye-catching, it's a great safety feature too, helping your dog stand out whether you're at the park, on a trail, or in a crowded urban setting. This harness is built for large breeds, with recommendations including golden retrievers, German shepherds, huskies, labradors, akitas, and other similar-sized dogs. However, before purchasing, it's crucial to measure your dog's neck and chest girth. Sizing is key to comfort and effectiveness, and rabbitgoo provides clear guidelines to help you get that perfect fit. What makes this harness a standout is its no-pull, no-choke design. It features two sturdy metal leash clips, one on the front, one on the back. Use the chest clip when you want to discourage pulling during walks or training sessions. This is especially handy if you've got a strong dog that tends to lead the way. The back clip is better suited for casual walks, jogging, or hikes where your dog is more relaxed. Putting the harness on is super easy. Slide it over your dog's head, clip the two quick-release buckles on the sides, and adjust the 4 straps, 2 around the neck and 2 around the chest. This gives you a snug fit without restricting movement. Once it's on, you're in full control, thanks to the top-mounted handle. That handle is perfect for guiding your dog through busy areas or helping them into the car. Let's talk comfort and durability. The outer layer is made from tough nylon Oxford, which handles outdoor wear and tear like a champ. Inside, it's padded with a soft cushion to protect your dog's skin. And for those warmer days or longer adventures, the breathable air mesh helps keep your dog cool and comfortable. Another strong point? Visibility. Whether it's early morning or late at night, the harness's reflective strips shine under headlights or streetlights. It's a smart touch that keeps you and your dog safer on the road. On top of all this, the harness is lightweight, easy to clean, and available in multiple colors and sizes. But if you've got a large dog and want that hot pink pop, the large size in hot pink is the ultimate combo of fashion and function. Between the high-quality materials, thoughtful design, and strong user-friendly features, the rabbitgoo dog harness in hot pink checks all the right boxes for any large dog owner. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've tried this harness or have another favorite. Catch you in the next review.